clients actually know, and I want you clients who are outside there to note this one very clearly. Not every person that you see with a camera, or maybe someone owning a studio that can produce content that is going to market your brand.
Most of the companies out there, most of the production companies, the filmmaking companies want to bring out their ideas all the time and tell the client, this is how it's supposed to be, this is what we need to do and all that. As ChrisDo, we try to sit with the client, to take the client through the process, and in that process we make sure that we understand the client fully, and even understanding the service and understanding the audience of the client. We are people who do not believe in giving the client what we want them to have, but we want to give a client what we both feel, we and the client feel they need.
You can be able to produce content that can wow people, but wowing people is not enough if that content does not help the client you're trying to serve to achieve his goal.
Our team is not very big, but we thank God that it is a team that is willing to learn.
I came here when I don't know anything about filmmaking and other stuff, but these people, they told me, don't worry, come, we can teach you, we can help you, we can guide you.
We make sure that we are not only mere videographers, but people who understand the business. We are entrepreneurs, we are story writers because we do movies.
Here at ChrisDo, it is tradition to make sure you put something new in your next project as an editor, as a writer, as a cinematographer, as a production designer.
So we understand the power of storytelling and even understanding business, because those two things are not the same. Being a content creator, when you don't have a mind of an entrepreneur, there is no way going to be able to help an entrepreneur. You need to merge the two, entrepreneurship and even content creation.
Whenever one of us does work, like has an assignment and does it, we sit down and review it as a whole team and say, no, this work is going out under the label ChrisDo. So we all need to, we need to bring our brains onto this one project, however small, however simple it is. Why? There is no work that is small.
If you're outside there and what you're looking for is to be different, to serve your audience better with difference,
for a team that is going to think with you, for a team that is going to produce what you need,
we are the best fit for that, because we understand what business is, we understand what organizations are. We even ourselves, we are entrepreneurs.
Our main target is to help your brand to grow. A brand, most people think brands are just companies and everything. A brand can also be a person. The people that are models, they are actors, whatever, name it.
Look nowhere else, but just contact us via those numbers running on the screen. Then we shall be glad to take you through a better process that can really suit you and help you to grow as a brand.